Preparing loads for transport with binding chain has always presented challenges, since load binders haven't evolved much since their inception. The Quikbinder Plus Ratchet load binder seeks to solve many of the common issues that traditional load binders experience. In today's video, we're going to talk about the unique features and design of the Quikbinder Plus and how you can safely operate and put it to use for your application. The Quikbinder Plus comes packed with a number of features that allow it to outperform traditional ratchet load binders. Its 3-position pawl offers the choice of ratchet extension, ratchet take-up, or a free spin setting for fast adjustment in either direction. This feature allows the load to be secured in half the time, with traditional ratchet binders only having a 2-position pawl that doesn't allow for easy free spooling. The Quikbinder Plus features drop-forged heat-treated zinc-plated hooks that provide greater corrosion protection than painted hooks. The binder chain size and grade markings are forged into the hooks. Its compact design features a folding handle which can easily be opened during use and then closed once the load is secure or for storage purposes. Each binder is proof tested and has working load limits permanently marked on the handle. The Quikbinder Plus also features a lock attachment point so the binder can be locked to the binder chain, making it more difficult to tamper with the binder, assembly, or load. The Quikbinder Plus has a working load limit that is much higher than traditional ratchet binders and is available in 3 different sizes with working load limits of 7,100 pounds, 12,000 pounds, and 18,100 pounds, allowing it to easily be matched up with grade 80 chain. Before operating, be sure to check and follow your equipment's manual and all transportation regulations for the jurisdictions for which you'll be traveling. To begin operation, first turn the pawl to the free spool position. Unscrew the ratchet binder until the binder is fully extended so the color mark on the thread can be seen, and be sure not to exceed the max extension length. With the chain attached to the equipment at a 45-degree angle, attach the binder to the chain while taking up as much slack as possible. Take out any additional slack by tightening the binder by hand. Fold the handle out, turn the pawl to the end position, and begin ratcheting the load to the desired tension. For additional security, a long bail lock can be used to lock the chain to the binder. To remove the binder, unfold the handle, turn the pawl to the out position, and begin ratcheting the binder until the tension has been released. Switch the pawl to the free spool position and swiftly release any remaining tension left in the chain. For a full video with more information on proper load binding techniques, please click the link to the video that we posted below. You can also visit our website and view the blog posts that we've made on there. We'd like to give special thanks to Chauvin Brothers Tractor in Belle Chasse, Louisiana for allowing us to film at their facility. As always, I'm Tyler with E-Rigging. Thanks for watching.